to another Groundhop episode number 30. We reached a milestone tonight. Groundhop episode 30. We are watching the Dolphins yet again. They are taking on Lehman College. They are known as the Lightning. They're located in Manhattan, I believe. And regardless where they are, we are playing. They are playing against the Lightning. Tonight, Dolphins are trying to keep their playoff hopes alive, and this is also senior night for them. So let's get this game underway. Let's go, Lehman! With that shot and an offensive foul. Might have been a loose ball foul on Lehman. Foul number 43. The Dolphins lead 5-0. Oh, that's fake! Oh, wow. Taylor saved it. Taylor shot up that offensive rebound. Taylor! Timeout has been called. Notice our color is blue, just like the Tampa Bay Lightning, as we saw roughly a month ago. That three-pointer is no good. Rebound by the Dolphins. There comes senior. That shot was good. That is 9-0. Oh, wow, another timeout in a span of 2 minutes. Perfect. Three-pointer. Oh, wow. He has 8 points on his senior night. And Lightning player lost it. He lost it again. Managed to recover it. Oh, wow. Oh, blocked. Dolphins ball. Oh. To recover and safely secure. Three-pointer. Rebound by the Lightning. And a timeout. Lightning finally doing something here. Going right from Lehman right now. Wow, good play. Oh my God, good play. The Dolphins lead 25-9. 25-9. But they were at 9 for a long time. thought it should be at 11 right now. I'm not sure. Anywho. Oh! And a offensive foul.
Legal offensive foul number 23 is.
Somehow he has that. Volleyball. Oh, that's a sneak. And there it goes. Look out.
Lehman ball. Dolphins lead 33-19.
That's a little bit of a selfish act. Oh, wow. Lightning coming back. Led by as many as 18. Oh, run! Good! Oh, hopefully he's okay. That one's good. 1 for 2. He's gonna try a buzz beater, and he got it! Buzzer beater! He got it! And halftime, everyone. 45-25. That is devastating in the first half. Everyone. Second half is underway. He's already charged away for a layup.
Dolphins lead 47-25.
I'll tell you what, there is not a lot of people here. What was that? He reached. No good right there. He almost got out of time. Jumper, good. Three-pointer. 15 with the three-pointer, no good. Good, wow. Oh, wow. First time in a long time I see, or maybe ever, Christian Taylor's imperfect. Now that's very shocking. Oh! Too much drama there. a good pass. Dolphins have it. Oh! Alley-oop. What an alley-oop.
Dolphins lead 39-32.
Jumper is no good. Flag. Tips it in. Paul Martin, number 22, tips it right in there.
Timeout.
And a timeout. Back 3 quarters good. That's 1-3. Oh! And
Traveling violation.
oh, he traveled. Wow. No good. Nick Taylor with the rebound. Big block. Easy layup. Lightning is slowly but surely coming back. Shot clock. Lost it. Who's gonna get it? Lightning saved it, but no, stolen by the Dolphins.
Timeout.
Timeout.
Timeout for Dolphins. For the Lightning. Shoot the bonus.
Good.
Now we need for number 20 on the shoulder. He replaces Stephen Flood.
That guy received a standing ovation and he has a good game. And he's perfect. The reason why you didn't see much of this game as you typically would is that, yeah, this game was very boring. I don't want to put you through the drama of foursome. This game was kind of repetitive, if you ask me. Very, very repetitive. I didn't mind coming, which is I thought would be a good game, but it was a blowout from the. This game was an absolute blowout from the start. worst of all, that Lightning never stood a chance. They'll lose this game. Well, at least they'll walk off with that shot. And game over. CSI Dolphins win it again. 72-55. And we can all go home. So I just got back from CSI, and in the end, Dolphins came out with a blowout win, and yeah, the game was pretty boring. It was a blowout from the start, and I didn't want you guys to go through that kind of repetitive video. So and that'll be it for Groundhop episode 30. I just want to give a little update real quick. Starting from tonight going forward, I'm going to be taking a break of going to sporting events at least until March. So around next month, I'll be heading back out to the field. And reason for this is because the ML League and the AL League, MLAL, I want to focus on that channel. That doesn't mean I'm not going to upload on this channel anymore. That's don't get the wrong idea. It just means that I just want to focus on that channel because I still have some videos left on my phone. And yes, thank you guys for cooperating with me. There is an event next week. I might not go, but let me know if you want me to go on that event next week. But for the most part, I will be taking a break of going to sporting events. So that is it. This is Mirror TV signing out, and thank you.